Welcome to Genomic News this week. This is where tiny genes tell big stories. A UK study just found out that certain gut bacteria in newborns may help protect them from serious chest infections. Babies with more of these good bacteria were less likely to end up in hospital. They usually got it within a week of birth, especially after vaginal delivery, but this is not always the case. This suggests that early feeding, medicine, or even probiotics could help boost the baby gut health and prevent illnesses. Doctors in China have tested a new treatment called Satricel for the people with serious stomach and throat cancers. This new treatment helps patients stay stable for about 3 months compared to less than 2 months with regular treatment. Yes, some side effects might happen, but these are manageable. This is one of the first times this kind of treatment has worked for solid tumors. This is giving new hope to patients. DNA can now be detected in air. Scientists have found that tiny traces of DNA from plants, animals, and germs, even allergens, are floating all around us. Using air samples, they could detect species like bobcats, spiders, and even allergens like peanut dust, all within just 2 days. Why is this important? This new air DNA technology could help us to track diseases, to discover new medicines, to detect allergens, to monitor endangered species, and also to find pests like rats and cockroaches. It is fast, powerful, and could transform how we monitor ecosystems and our health. A study of over 279,000 people has found a gene that raises the risk for eczema. But babies who are around dogs early in life had a lower risk even if they had the gene. Lab tests suggest that dogs may help calm the skin and reduce the inflammation. This shows how our genes and environment, even pets, can shape our health. A new study in Germany has found out that as people age, their brains change in ways that affect their social life. One part of the brain becomes more sensitive to emotions, and this can make social situations feel harder. Another part of the brain linked to planning and communication slows down, leading to fewer social interactions. This study helps explain why older adults may feel less social, and it points ways that we might better support them. Scientists just found out that air pollution may increase the risk of early birth in African American mothers. Tiny harmful particles in air called PM2.5 seem to change certain chemicals in the blood. 2 of these chemicals may link air pollution directly to early labor. This explains how air pollution affects pregnancy, especially in communities already at higher risk like the African American mothers. Scientists at Stanford have grown tiny versions of human heart and liver in the lab. These mini organs even had tiny blood vessels, and they were made from stem cells. They were created using special signals that copy early human development. This could help us study diseases and test new treatments in the future. Radiologists are now getting help from AI that writes the first drafts of their report. In one study, it made their work 15% faster without making more mistakes. The AI also did well on spotting serious problems like collapsed lungs, and this could help doctors act faster and save lives. Scientists are testing a new kind of COVID-19 vaccine that could work better than the current ones. It uses special protein built from several virus versions to train the immune system. In mice, even small amounts gave strong protection, and it kept the virus out of the lungs. This could lead to better, faster, and longer lasting vaccines in the future. And that is it for this week's genomic news. It is amazing what science is uncovering, one tiny detail at a time. If this sparkled your curiosity, hit like and subscribe and pass it along to someone who loves learning too. Until next time, stay curious, stay genomic.